everyone! Welcome back to English with Manel. Today, we're going to explore something we use every single day, the English alphabet. A lot of us know the English alphabet, but we don't know its true origin or story. Let's travel back in time and discover it together. A lot of us know the English alphabet, but we don't really know where it came from or how it started. So today, let's find out together. Our story begins with the Romans. More than 2,000 years ago, they used what we call the Latin alphabet. And that's where our English alphabet came from. But their alphabet had only 23 letters. There was no J, U, or W yet. Back then, I was used for both I and J, and V was used for both U and V. Can you imagine how confusing that was? When the Romans ruled Europe, their alphabet spread to many countries. Even after the Roman Empire ended, people kept using the Latin alphabet for writing and learning. Later, when the English language began to grow, it borrowed the Latin letters. Then, in 1066, the Normans came from France, bringing French words and spelling. This made English look and sound more modern. Many years later, during the Renaissance, printers made 3 new letters, J, U, and W, and that's how we got our 26 letters, the alphabet we use today. So, the alphabet you use every day to write your name, your messages, and your notes actually began in ancient Rome, and it has changed slowly over thousands of years. Now you know the amazing story behind the English alphabet. Now let's move to learn English alphabet. Today, we're going to learn all about the English alphabet. There are 26 amazing letters, and each one is super special. We'll look at big and small letters and learn about vowels and consonants. So the English alphabet has 26 letters. Let's say them together, nice and clear. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent! That was amazing. Give yourself a big clap. Now, let's look at these letters more closely. Did you know that each letter has 2 forms? Yes, we have capital letters, sometimes called big letters, and small letters. First, big letters or called capital letters. Let's spell with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's spell again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Look here. Capital letters are big and tall. We have capital letters as well as small letters. Small letters are called as simple letters. Let's spell with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's spell again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Look here. Capital letters are short and tiny. Wow! Every letter has a big and a small version. Isn't that cool? Let's look at them together. That's amazing! Now, let's learn something very special. In the English alphabet, there are two kinds of letters, vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, and U. Say it again. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. They help us make sounds in words. Without vowels, we couldn't say words properly. Let's look at some examples. A is for apple. E is for elephant. I is for ice cream. O is for orange. U is for umbrella. Beautiful. Now, all the other letters, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called consonants. So remember, 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And the rest are consonants. Let's remember what we learned today. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Each letter has a capital and a small form. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. And all the others are consonants. You did such a wonderful job today. Now you know your English letters, their big and small forms, and which ones are vowels and consonants. Keep practicing every day. Say your letters, look around, and find words that start with them. Soon, you'll read and write like a star. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Manel for more fun English lessons. Thank you for learning with me, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.